Then examples on simplex method. So first example is using simplex method. Using simplex method, solve the following LPP. Solve the following LPP. So LPP is given that maximum Z is equal to 4x1 plus 10x2 subject to, or here right, subject to 2x1 plus x2 is less equal 50, then 2x1 plus 5x2 is less equal 100, and 2x1 plus 3x2 is less equal 90, and x1 and x2 are greater equal 0. Okay, so step first, introduce slack variable. Here objective function is maximize type, so we not need to convert maximize to minimize to maximize. Okay, so here already given that objective function is maximize type, and all constants are less equal 0 also given that, and all bias are also non-negative. So only we are introduce the slack variable. Here constants are 3, so number of slack variables are 3, s1, s2 and s3. Okay, and value of slack variable in objective function take a 0. Okay, so first introduce 3 slack variable. Introduce 3 slack variable s1, s2 and s3 to the constraints, and put them value of, put the cost of this variable equal to 0 in objective function. Okay, put the value in objective function, that is maximum Z is equal to 4x1 plus 10x2 plus 0s1 plus 0s2 plus 0s3 subject to constraints 2x1 plus x2 plus s1 is equal to 50, then 2x1 plus 5x2 plus s2 is equal to 100, and last is also 2x1 plus 3x2 plus s3 is equal to 90. Okay, so now to find the optimal solution. How to finding? By using simplex method, we directly write a simplex table. Okay, so directly we write in simplex table. Okay, now we have to find, now we have calculate or find, calculate zj minus cj. Okay, we draw simplex table. We drawing simplex table. Simplex table is CB XB, sorry, CB YB, then XB. Okay, upper side is coefficient of Z, coefficient in Z. Then here number of variables are x1, x2, s1, s2, s3. Okay, x1, s2, s1, s2 and s3. Okay, so putting firstly slack variables s1, s2 and s3, their coefficients are 0, 0, 0. Value of exb is 50, 100 and 90. 50, 100 and 90. the coefficient of x1, x2, x1, s2, s3 in first constant is 2, 1, 1, then s2 has 0 and s3 is 0. s2 and s2 is not here, which implies that coefficient of s2 and s3 are 0. In this way, similarly, 2 for second constant, coefficient of x1 is 2, coefficient of x2 is 5, coefficient of x1 is 0, then coefficient of s2 is 1 and then 0. Then lastly 2, 3, your coefficient of s1 is 0, coefficient of s2 is 0, then 1. Okay, so in this way. Okay, now we have to calculate zj minus cj. Okay, how to calculate zj minus cj? Firstly, summation of cbxb is equal to 0. 0 into 50 plus 0 into 100 plus 0 into 90 is 0. Then we have to calculate cj minus zd. How to calculate? cb into xi minus xi in this way. cb means this is xbi. Okay, cb into xbi minus xi. So using this formula means for x1 here we remaining is 4, 10. Coefficient of x1 in objective function is 4, coefficient of x2 in objective function is 10, then their coefficients are 0, 0, 0. Okay, so now we have to write calculating zj minus cj. Okay, so for here cb 0 into 2 is 0, 0 here minus 4, here minus 10. How to remaining? cb into xi, 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2, 0, 0 minus 4 is minus 4, then 0 into x2, coefficient of cb into coefficient of x2 and their summation, 0 into 1 plus 0 into 5 into 0 into 3, their value is 0, minus 10, then minus 10, then 0, because their coefficient is 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, in this way. So how to this is calculate summation of cbxi means 0 into x1 first coefficient minus coefficient of x1 in this way. Okay, then subtract s1, 0 into x1, then similarly 0 into x2 in this way. Okay, so here now to choosing most negative number to find here. Most negative, all zj minus cj are here 2 elements of zj minus cj are less than 0. Okay, and so most negative number is minus 10. Okay, most negative, this is a greater than minus 4 is greater than minus 10, but here we have to choosing most negative means most negative number is 10. Okay, 10 is a most negative than 4, so minus 10 is this is a key column is x2. Now to find the key row. Okay, xb divided by x2 is equal to xb is here 50 and divided by x2 is 2, their value is 25, then second is 100 divided by 5, sorry 50 divided by 1 is 50, then 100 divided by coefficient is 5, so 5, their value is 20, then 90 for third, this is right here is equal to 20, then this is 90 divided by 3 is 30. So choose the smallest positive number. So this is a 20. Okay, this is 50, 20, 30. 30 is a smallest number for xb divided by x2. So this is a key row. Key row is a second row. This is key row. Okay, key row, and therefore this is second row. Choose a leading element. How to choosing leading element? Select a second row and second column. So this is our leading element is 5. Okay, so now to converting 5 by unity. Okay, and all others element and make all other elements from upper side of leading element and below side of leading element is 0. So take operation, but before that firstly take all element convert the leading element by unity. Okay, so therefore now here 5 is leading element. Here 5 is leading element. Therefore now we have to convert. Now we have to convert the leading element. Convert the leading element into unity. Leading element into unity. Therefore unity by dividing its row. Its row is second row, by dividing second row by 5. Okay, its row by leading element, that is multiply 1 by 5 to second row. Okay, by leading element itself and after converting leading element by 1, then make all other value, making all other elements in its column, all other elements in its column to 0. Okay, so firstly making all leading element to unity. So their column is CB, YB, XB, then X1, X2, X3, S1, S2 and S3. Okay, so coefficient of Z. Then and here also directly write introduce, then directly we write all 3 steps in one column. Okay, introduce x2 in YB and leave S2. Okay, introduce x2 and leave S2. Okay, so therefore basic variables are S1, then X2, then S3. Okay, coefficient of X2 is 10. Their coefficients are S1 and S2 are 0. Okay, so firstly dividing this column by 5, so we get 20, then 2 by 5. Okay, so operation is 1 by 5 R2. Okay, for second column. Then X2 leading element 5 by 1, then 0, then 1 by 5. Sorry, X3 is not here. Sorry, this is 0, then 1 by 5, 0, 1 by 5, then 0. Okay, so now to convert using this row, convert all other elements in its column, to 0 by using this row. So operation is take operation here, taking a upper side is 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0. We get a R1 minus R2, and for third use operation is R3 minus 3R2. Okay, R3 minus 3R2. So first here here r1 minus r2, 50 minus 20, 50 minus 20 is remaining 30. Then for x1, 2 by 5, 2 minus 2 by 5 means 8 by, value is 2 minus 2 by 5 is 8 by 5. Okay, then 1 minus 1, okay, r1 minus r2, this is r1 and this is r2. Okay, so r1 minus r2 means 1 minus 1 is value is 0. Then 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 is 1 itself. Then 0 minus 1 by 5 is minus 1 by 5. Then lastly 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay, this is first row. Then for third row, so use operation r3 minus 3r2. This is r2, okay, and this is r3 minus 3r2. 90 minus 3r2 means 90 minus 60 is 30. 90 minus 60 is 30. Then 2 minus 6 by 5. 2 minus 6 by 5. Their value is 2 minus 6 by 5. 12 minus 2 minus 6 by 5. 10 minus 6 is 4 by 5. Okay. Then 3 minus 3, value is 0, because this is 3 and here multiply by 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Then next is 0 minus 3 into 0, their value is 0. Then 0 minus 3 by 5, 0 minus, this is 0, here multiply by 3. 0 minus 3 by 5 is minus 3 by 5. And then minus 3 by 5. Then next is 1, as it is 1 minus 0, 0. Okay, so here now we have to calculate, here operation is 1 by 5 r2 and then these two operation. Okay, all three processes are completing in one column. Okay, so here their coefficient is 4, 10, then 0, 0, 0. Okay, so this is our column, second column. Okay, if all Zj minus Cj are greater than equal 0, then we not need to expressing simplex table. Okay, then this is the optimal solution. But if Zj minus Cj are less equal 0, then again process to step second continue. Okay, in this way, this is the first. Here, okay, so now to calculate CBXB, summation of CBXB, 0 into 20, 30, 30, 0, then their value is 200. Okay, and now we have to calculate, this is one column. Okay, now we have to calculate Zj minus Cj. Zj minus Cj, I have to calculate CBXI minus XI, summation of CBXI minus XI. So here 0 into 8 by 5, 0, plus 10 into 2 by 5, value is 10 into 2 by 5, their value is 4. Okay, value is 4. 4 minus 4, value is and then 0 into 4 by 5, remaining only 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then 0, 10, 0 plus 10 plus 0, 10 minus 10 is 0. Okay, 10 minus 10 is 0. Then here 0, 0, 0. Okay, their value is also 0. For this value is 2. Okay, 0 into minus 1 by 5, 0, and 0 into minus 3 by 5, 0, remaining only 10 into 1 by 5. 10 into 1 by 5 is 2. Okay, 2 minus 0, 2, and here also value is 0. Therefore all zj minus cj are greater equal 0. So by step 5, therefore all zj minus cj are greater equal 0, and therefore this is an optimal solution. This is an optimal solution, and therefore maximum z is equal to 0 into 30 plus 10 into 20 plus 0 into 30 is equal to 200. At what point? x2 is equal to, at what point x2 is equal to 20. Okay, at what point x2 is equal to 20, and x1 and x2 are not in basic variable, so therefore put their value is equal to 0. x1 is equal to 0 and x3 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is in our optimal solution, initial basic feasible solution of this simplex method. This is a very simple